Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel TK Electronics. I hope you all are doing fine. This I have received recently from Indore for repair, so we'll check it what's inside. See guys, this is the one for repair. Sub RCF 8006 AS model. This came from Indore for repair. It's not working, so we'll check it out. What's the issue in this? So let's check out. So we'll give some power first. So we'll give input power to 30 volt. Let's see. So it's off position. So we'll make it on. So we'll put it on. We'll connect it. So I have already connected. We'll put it on now. Be careful because this is a power supply. So we'll just put little support downside. So we'll put it on. It's a high-gain power supply. See, it's on. So it's on. So now what we do, friends, we will connect the speaker. We'll turn this one and we'll connect the speaker. So this is actually, friend, this is subwoofer. This is working. This RCF subwoofer for two subwoofer, right? It includes both power supply, two power supply and two output amplifier board. In this power supply, both is available: power supply, SMS power supply, and output amplifier board both. So this is the speaker connection. This goes to the speaker connection. So now we'll connect the speaker. We'll check what's the status. So but both power supply is working fine. So you can see the LED green color. So it means that power supply is working fine. So guys, I will give the speaker connection over here, this one. See what is happening. This is the output. Both. This is the problem because there is a distortion sound. See. So this is the problem, friend. So let's check out what is the issue in this. Just keep watching my video, guys. So we'll check the voltages over here first. So there is a problem, either input board or output board. Our power supply section is okay, but output board may be or input board may be. So we need to check it out. Just stay with me. So friends, we'll check the output from the power supply section. So how much is coming? See, it's 84 and 125. So it means our power section is okay. This side is okay. Another side also same. See guys. Okay, so our power section is okay, and this side, this is minus 12 and plus 12. It's going to the input board. This plus 12 and minus 12 is going to the input board. So it means that our power supply section is okay. Output from the power supply is okay. Plus 12 minus 12 is going to the input board. So now we'll check over here in the input board only. So what exactly happened? So we'll just take it out, this one. Well, we'll put it off first. So I already put it off. So no green light. So now 1 2 3 screws are here. we'll take it out this board, input board. Disconnect power supply. So friends, we'll just dismantle this out. We'll remove this. So friends, we have taken out. So now what we'll do, we'll take some ohms of the IC and some transistor resistor. So we'll just dismantle this. Okay. So guys, this is the input board. So now we will work on this. So if this board is okay, everything is okay, then the problem will be in the output board, this one. So first we'll check in the input board. So now keep this aside. So we'll work on this now. So guys, this is the main processing IC, audio processor IC, this one, main CPU IC, like, you know. So now we'll check, is there any shorting or something like that. We'll check step by step now. So the number of this IC is, my friends, ADAU 1701. ADAU 1701. This is the audio processor IC. So we'll check the IC is shorted or something, like, because it's very not easy to go this IC. So we'll check the ohms, the pin number, the supply pin, a negative and positive pin of this IC is, pin number 1 is the negative. Okay guys, so I kept on buzzer range, diode range. So we'll check on the pin number 13. So no shorting is there. Pin number 48 also supply pin. 48 no. So it means IC, there is no shorting in the IC. Say I'll keep on the buzzer range with negative point and supply pin. There is no, see, not much. This is the, so it's showing ohms but not shorted. I kept on the auto range now. So it is showing some kilo ohms. So friends, anyway, IC looks good. So this is the audio processor IC. Now this is the input IC, this one. The number of this IC is 33078. 33078. So friends, this is the one. So now what we'll do, we'll check with the, we'll supply the voltage to this card and we'll check the voltages over there. Okay guys, we'll check the voltages. Now just keep watching me, watch my video. So we'll connect it to the card system and we'll check the voltages on here. We'll fix the board, input board, like this, and we'll check some voltages over here. So now it's easy to take the voltage test. So we'll put it on. So when we put it on, we'll see the green light over here. So this wire will solder for the negative, for the common here, so that our one hand will be free. So we'll connect this to the minus to negative port like this. So we'll just solder this over here. So now we'll switch it on. I'll put it on. Switch it on now. I put it on. So power supply is on, both power supply is on. So the light is also on here, power. So now we'll check some voltages over here. So on pin number 13 is just, as I said earlier, supply pin. See how much it's coming. So voltage is coming 1.7. Okay, so now pin number 48, see 3.3. So it is 3.3. See guys, 3.3. So it means power supply is going to this IC, and here we'll check this. This is the regulator toward input output. See 3.3 is output. This regulator also okay, and here this is ground. This is output 4.5 volts 9. This is input. So all regulators are working fine. So now we'll check some voltages. This IC, this is the output IC. This is the output IC. So we'll check here the voltages here. On pin number 4 -12, and pin number 8 +12. Okay, and on pin number 1 is output from this IC, and pin number 2 3 is input. So we must get some. See guys, pin number 2 and 3, pin number 2 and 3 0.9 0.9, and pin number 4 5 and 6 also same. See, so it means that actually we must supposed to get some 2.5 volt 2.4 volt from this IC, pin number 1 and 2 and pin number 4 and 5, that is the input IC. So we are not getting. So now what we will do, see, from the pin number 7 also there is no output, there is no. So I suspect this IC is faulty. Temperature is normal, no more hot temperature. So what we will do, we'll replace this IC with the new one. The number of this IC is 33078. This is dual low noise operational amplifier IC. So we'll replace this IC with the new one. Okay guys, so for that we'll switch it off first, and we'll take it out this board separately, because rest of the things is okay. Supply line is okay, everything is okay. All voltages perfectly showing from this. See here, 2.7, 3.3 volt, 1.7. So all voltages coming perfectly. So now what we'll do, we replace this IC with the new one. The number of this IC is 33078. So just keep watching my video guys. So we'll switch it off first. I put it off. So now we'll dismantle this. I will take it out separately, and we will work on this board only, on the input board. This. So now we'll work on this. We'll replace this IC guys. This one. This is the dual low noise operational amplifier IC. We'll replace with the new one. Remove this wire. So we'll replace this IC. So guys, I have got the new IC with me, 33078. This is the number 33078. So we'll replace this IC with the new one. So this is 8-pin dual low noise power amplifier IC, 33078. So now we'll replace this IC with this one, because the output is not coming from this IC. So let's check it out. We'll replace this one. So friends, we'll remove this IC. So guys, we have to take out the IC. So friends, this is the faulty one. So now we have already taken out from here. So this is the new one now. So we'll fix the new one first. We'll clean this one First we'll clean this one. So now we'll fix. This is the old one. This is the old one. And we'll fix. This is the new one. So now it's perfect. So now what we'll do, we'll connect it directly to the system. We'll check now. This is the old IC and we have replaced with the new IC 33078. So we'll So guys, we have already fixed it. We sorted the problem. We'll check now whether it is sorted out or not. That we need to check it out. So put it low volume. So switch is on. So we'll connect the power. We'll put it on now. So we have to do the input power also. So guys, we'll put it on. It's on. See, power is on. So now what we'll do before it, so we'll just connect the speaker. Before it was humming sound was coming. Before humming sound was coming. Now we'll check this time. So guys, we'll put it on. See, there is no. Before it was coming. Now there is no. So now we'll apply signal. See, not coming anything. So now because the input is not there. So we'll give the input now. So we will give the input. Yes. So we'll little increase the volume. I will check. See, now we will check. See, it's coming. See friends, coming. This is actually not subwoofer speaker, this is normal speaker. So but you can hear the it's coming. So this one okay, this one. See, this also okay. See. So guys, like this, so we replace this IC as you have seen. So thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye. See you next week.